Hello everyone, today I'm going to show how to make fried squid. For the ingredient I have 3 pieces of squid that I already cleaned, 1 egg, some basil, frying mix powder, oil, salt and black pepper. Okay, right now I'm going to cut the squid. Okay, right now the squid already cut, so right now I'm going to add 1 egg inside. And add a little bit black pepper. In the hot pan, right now I'm going to add some oil for deep fry the squid. Okay, over here I have to take the squid, dip in the powder. Okay, right now I fry the squid all done. So right now I'm going to deep fry the basil and put on the top. Okay, I just use the same oil and deep fry the basil. Okay, right now I'm going to put the fried basil on the top. And then season a little bit more black pepper. And a little bit more salt. Okay, right now my fried squid is ready. I hope you guys enjoy watching my recipe. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more video. Thank you. Bye.